Hi students, today we are starting our next topic of the chapter, that is genetic code. F.H. Crick postulated the existence of genetic code. Codon. A codon is 3 nucleotide sequence in messenger RNA which codes for a particular amino acid. Genetic code. It is a sequence of nitrogenous base in messenger RNA molecule which encloses the information for synthesis of protein molecule. Triplet code. A single code consisting of only one nucleotide. It provides 4 codon, that is adenine, cytosine, guanine and uracil. These are insufficient to code for 20 amino acid. A double code provides 16 codons which are insufficient for 20 amino acids. It was George Gamow in 1955. He pointed out the possibility of 3-letter code, that is each codon consists of 3 nitrogenous bases. This will give 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64 codes, which are more than enough for coding. Now these are 20 amino acids on the screen and it is their abbreviation, means short form. Alanine ALA, arginine ARG, aspartic acid ASP, asparagine ASN, cysteine CYS, glutamine GLN, glutamic acid GLU, glycine GLY, histidine HIS, isoleucine LLE, leucine LEU, lysine LYS, methionine MET, phenylalanine PHE, proline PRO, serine SER, threonine THR, tyrosine TRP, tyrosine TYR, valine VAL. Now we will study this table. Already we have studied. Now this is, you can see, uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. Here uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. Here in one block these all nucleotides are together, uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. Now this U and this U. Then U and C. Like this we have to fill entire table. Now UAA, that represent stop codon, means there will be no reaction. UAG again stop codon, and UGA also represent stop codon. This is first letter in table, this is second letter and this is third letter. Now messenger RNA, it is the starting point of translation, how it takes place. Now we will study. Now here DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA. It is DNA and it is getting transcripted into messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is translated into amino acid. As you can see, now translation is takes place here, transcription, then translation. Now each codon corresponds to one amino acid. You can see, that is valine, cysteine, lysine, serine and leucine. Now here messenger RNA is translated into amino acid. Each codon corresponds to one amino acid, and amino acid forms polypeptide chain, and polypeptide chain folds into different proteins, and this is known as translation. So first transcription, and then translation means messenger RNA is attached with amino acid and it translates, and formation of polypeptide chain. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.